So this is an advanced example. You'll notice right away there's 4 terms, and we haven't had any like that before. Now, if you look at it closely, there's an x squared, and there's 2 like terms, 15 and 4x. And we could put them together, but we're actually going to keep them apart to do this one. Now, if we look for GCF, 5 automatically jumps out. It goes into both, but it doesn't go into 4 and 6. 2 goes into these 2, but it doesn't go into 15. Nothing goes into all 4 terms. Now, the thing about this is anytime you see 4 terms, you probably find nothing goes into all 4 of them. What we're going to do is split into 2 groups. These 2, 5x goes into both. These 2 right away, 2 jumps out. So I'm going to rewrite that factored both pieces. The first half is, and the second half divide both by 2. And I'm going to put a plus there because there's no minus sign. We need to show that we're adding to this. Take a look at the answer so far. We've got 2 GCFs and the binomial's identical. This is usually what happens when we break these up into 4 pieces. We take the GCF of the first half, the second half, and we find the binomial is the same. So what we're going to do, this is our GCF for the third part. 2x minus 3, and the leftover pieces, 5x plus 2, go into brackets. Take a look back here. We took out 2 from both. The leftover goes in the brackets. In this case, we take out 2x minus 3, and the leftover go in brackets. The only difference between these is we've got 2 terms here, and we're GCF factoring a binomial here. But it's the same thing. The GCF goes in front, the leftovers go inside the brackets. So I want you to try this one on your own. You've got 4 pieces, just like the last one. Take the GCF 1, 2, 3 different times. See if you end up with 2 binomials. Pause the video. Okay, so the first half, I'm going to cut it in half with a little dotted line. Take the ladder, 24 and 9. 2 doesn't go into 9, but 3 goes into both of them. And I can take out an x from both pieces. And just to double check, nothing goes into 8 and 3. Over here, 2 doesn't go into this one, 3 doesn't go into this one, 5 doesn't go into either, but 7 goes into both. I can't take out an x because there's no x on that term. So 56 divided by 7 is 8x, 21. Double check that the binomials are the same. They should match if you've done it correctly. I'm going to put a little plus sign there just to emphasize I need to add this whole half, and I'm going to rewrite it. Same binomial, matching. So that's going to go in front. That's my GCF for the next part. The leftover pieces go inside brackets. And I'm done. And I can always FOIL this out to double check my answer.